English 99.
Good morning. Vibrary Systems. Can I help you?
Good morning, Geraldine.
Good morning, Jenny. Your newspapers and the post.
Thank you.
Good morning, Jenny. Good weekend?
Excellent, thank you.
'Tis cold this morning.
Yes, very cold.
Good morning, Geraldine.
Good morning, Mr. Harris. Your newspaper and your post.
Thank you very much.
Good morning, Kate. Good morning, Jenny. How are you? I'm fine, thank you.
Good morning, Jenny.
Good morning, Don.
Good morning. My name's Edward Green. I'm here to see Don Bradley.
Ah, yes. One moment, please. Hello, Jenny. Edward Green is in reception. Please sit down.
Thank you.
Are you Edward Green?
Yes.
I'm Jenny Ross. How do you do?
Hello. Pleased to meet you.
Welcome to Vibrary Systems.
Thank you.
I'm the head of administration in the marketing department. My boss is Don Bradley. Well, our boss is Don Bradley. Let me show you the department. This is the marketing department. This is my desk. That's Don's office. He's not here at the moment. This is your desk. Telephone, PC, in-tray. Let me take your coat.
Thanks.
Over here is the stationery cupboard. Papers, files, pencils, etc. Help yourself to what you need. Here is the photocopier. And here is the fax machine. And this is the coffee machine. Would you like a cup of coffee?
No, thanks.
Kate, this is Edward Green. He's our new marketing executive. Ah, yes, Edward. Hello. Welcome to Vibrary Systems Marketing Department. Excuse me. Hello, Kate McKenna.
What is Kate's job?
She is head of sales. She is good.
Where does she fit into the company's structure?
Here's the company structure. You see, Don is sales and marketing director and is on the board. Kate reports to Don. You are here, and you report to Don. This is the boardroom. Here we have a range of products. Our toys. Come on, let's go to the R&D workshop.
I'm sorry, R&D?
That's research and development.
Ah, right.
Thank you for calling. Goodbye.
The managing director's office is on the first floor. Clive Harris. We call him Clive. Ah, this is Clive's secretary, Sally.
Hello.
And you have met Geraldine, our receptionist.
Hi.
So, this is the research and development department. This is Bob. And that's Pete. They are research assistants. And through here is Derek Jones's office. He has a team of 6 people. Derek, this is Edward Green. He's our new...
Please.
Oh, you're busy. Sorry.
No. Please wait. There. Finished. Good. Do you like it?
What is it?
It's a toy. It's a new electronic toy.
It's very good. Edward Green, pleased to meet you.
Derek Jones, welcome to Byberry Systems.
Thank you.
Edward Green starts today. He's the new marketing executive.
Oh, yes. Is he good?
I don't know. He's young. He's intelligent. He is well qualified. But of course, he has no experience.
So, that's the existing product range. This is a very new product. In fact, this is a prototype.
What is it?
It's called Big Boss.
Big Boss. What does it do?
Look, say, hello, Big Boss.
Hello, Big Boss.
No, no. Into the microphone.
Hello, Big Boss.
Try again.
Hello, Big Boss.
Hi, Edward. Welcome to Byberry Systems.
What do you think, Don?
I don't like this design.
I agree. It's not good. I like this one. He looks angry.
Yes. I think it's very funny.
What do you think?
What about glasses?
That is very good. Good idea. Brilliant.
Hello. My name is Edward Green. I would like to speak to Mr. Smith, please.
I am sorry, but Mr. Smith isn't available.
Okay. I'll ring back. Does Mr. Smith have a direct line?
I'm sorry, but the number is confidential.
Okay. Thank you.
It's very difficult to speak to Mr. Smith.
Yes, I know.
Good morning. Are you YJ Advertising?
Good morning. This is Don Bradley. Can I talk to Phil Watson, please?
What company are you from, please?
Byberry Systems.
I'll put you through.
Phil Watson's phone.
Good morning. Can I talk to Phil, please?
Can I ask who's calling, please?
Don Bradley from Byberry Systems.
Well, Mr. Bradley, I'm afraid Phil's not in the office at the moment. Can I take a message? Or would you like to ring him on his mobile phone?
I'll try his mobile. Can I have the number, please?
0802 543 77.
Just let me check that. 0802 543 77.
That's it.
Thanks.
Hello, Phil Watson.
Hello, Phil. This is Don Bradley.
Hello, Don. Sorry to keep you waiting. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. Can we meet? We have a new product, and I want you to see it.
Hello, Mr. Smith's office.
Hello. My name is Edward Green from Byberry Systems. I rang earlier. I would like to speak to Mr. Smith, please.
I'm afraid Mr. Smith isn't in the office at the moment. Can I ask what it is about?
It is very important. I represent Byberry Systems. We've got a new product, and I want Mr. Smith to see it.
Please send the product specifications by mail, Mr. Green.
I would like Mr. Smith to see the product and would like to talk to Mr. Smith direct. When is a good time to call?
You could try ringing this afternoon.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Yes.
Can I speak to Peter?
Peter Hill.
No, Peter Toyama.
There is no one here called Peter Toyama.
Is that extension 367?
No, you've got the wrong number. This is 42.
I'm sorry. Could you put me back to the switchboard?
Yes, hang on.
Hello. This is Edward Green. I rang earlier. I would like to speak to Mr. Smith, please.
I'm afraid that Mr. Smith is in a meeting.
Is he free later this afternoon?
I don't think so. Mr. Smith is very busy at the moment.
I'll ring again tomorrow.
I'm afraid Mr. Smith isn't in the office tomorrow.
Clive Harris?
Clive, it's Kate.
Hello, Kate.
Are you busy?
No. Why?
I've got the sales report. And I have all the figures ready for the presentation to Mr. Sakai. Do you want to see them?
Good morning, Byberry Systems. How can I help you?
Hello. My name is Sakai. I would like to speak to Mr. Harris, please.
Please hold the line, Mr. Sakai. I'll put you through.
Hello?
Mr. Sakai is on the line.
Put him through. Sorry, Kate, I must go. I have a very important call. I'll talk to you later. Hello, Mr. Sakai.
Hello, Mr. Harris. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm calling about our meeting.
Yes.
Hello, Vibrary Systems. How can I help you? Could I ask who's calling, please? I'm afraid her extension is busy at the moment, Mr. Clark. Will you hold, or can I take a message? Okay, that's fine. I'll ask her to call you back.
Good night, Edward.
Good night. I'm going to phone Mr. Smith's number once again.
Good luck.
It's 6 o'clock. Maybe Mr. Smith is still at work. Maybe his secretary isn't there.
I don't think...
Just wait. Ah, Mr. Smith. My name is Edward Green.
Yes.
You don't know me, but I work in Don Bradley's office at Bibury Systems.
Yes.
I spoke to your secretary today.
Yes.
You publish your catalogue this month, and we have an exciting new product.
I have all the products I need.
I would like you to have a word with the big boss.
I'm sorry.
I'll put our new product on the line now.
Hello, Mr. Smith. My name is Big Boss. I am 18 inches high. I am voice activated, and I want to be in your catalogue.